All right, we're here somewhere before the Continental Divide, getting ready to start on the Allegheny Passage. Here we go. This is where we got dropped off. The road was closed, so we had to improvise. Why is she stopping? Oh, she's just stopping. We find out what this.
I thought it would be something cool.
It's not. Oh, we're gonna stop up in this tunnel.
Okay.
There it is, Tara. This is the Continental Divide right here. This is it. There's Jordan. I'm gonna step up here. It's called the Big Savage Tunnel, right? What? Mom's gonna stop.
Yeah, well, they had to put the tunnel through Big Savage Mountain.
Now they almost crashed. But there's Charlie. Say hi, Charlie. Charlie wants to go through the tunnel.
9 tunnels and over 30 bridges and viaducts were built to shorten the route and lessen the grade to get wherever they had to go.
This is what I was thinking of, Carson. Approaching one of the viaducts. I don't know if this is the super long one or the semis. You want to see what it says quick?
We're stopping?
Just to look real quick. Oh God.
I did not downstairs.
Pretty cool, huh? Go back with her and help her. Viaduct number 2, Tara. This will be fine. It's only over a river. It's only a bridge. It actually looks new. Look at this. Whoa. Look at that. That's pretty. Wow, look at that. One of this is like Ohio State Park here. Want to get off? Wow, look. You can get off and look. Let's stop here for a second.
Can you see what just happened to me?
Look at that.
I'm going to take some pretty photos. Oh, there's a dog.
Yeah, there's people down there.
Nally, you taking photos?
Pinkerton Tunnel. That was the bypass there. Tara, you need to wait for Charlie. Whoa, why are you stopping? I just said you had to wait for Charlie. Just like the one at Jim Thorpe.
I don't like it. It's not. It's much higher.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
It is.
You made it.
That is much higher than this.
No, that's not as hot. It's just about the same. This one's pretty calm.
Yeah.
See any fish down there, Carson? Just keep moving. Watch the bumps there. This town's really cool. There, we can eat there too, Carson. That's really good.
Well, we can decide that.
Natalie, ring your horn. Natalie. Natalie, hit your bell.
What am I saying?
Hit your bell.
Oh.
Thank you. Coming up behind you guys.